guys, today we're gonna play Slitherio. It's a game that you should kill the other ones except yourself. Don't let the other ones to kill you. So now I'm playing with AIs for train. I'm playing with stupid eyes. No, this game they're not stupid. But now let's play again with AI. Play against AIs. Live gaming apps, which is my channel. Now let's play. You eated my power stuff. You wanna kill me, huh, boy? Which boys wanna kill me? Just kidding. I don't wanna die. Now I speeded to kill this boy. Now I speeded to kill this boy. Now I speeded to kill this boy. Nobody will kill me. Speeded to kill this boy. Now I speeded to kill this boy. Nobody will kill me, huh? Nobody will kill me, huh? Now I speeded to kill this boy. Now I speeded to kill this boy. Nobody will kill me, huh? Nobody will kill me, huh? Nobody will kill this boy. Nobody will kill me, huh? Nobody will kill me. We need to kill this boy. We need to kill this boy. Nobody will kill me, huh? Nobody will kill me. Now I speeded to kill this boy. Now I speeded to kill this boy. Nobody will kill me, huh? Nobody will kill me, huh? Now I speeded to kill this boy. Now I speeded to kill this boy. Nobody will kill me, huh? Nobody will kill me, huh? Nobody will, huh? I speeded to kill them. Now I speeded to kill them. Nobody will kill me, huh? Nobody will kill. Okay, now guys, we're gonna try to kill everybody as this giant worm is doing, killing everybody. Now I'm dead for people to take good loot. I killed somebody but I died myself. What is this? Now let's try to... I killed this worm. First murder. I need a second murder. I need a second ever. Oh, I'm dead. Now let's try to play against AIs again. Today we're just gonna play with AIs. Now let's do this. Okay, now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna grow and 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 grow. Okay. I need someone like this boy that I could kill. This boy is so weak. He cannot kill me like this boy. Ever. This boy is so weak. He's so weak. This boy is so weak as he is. This boy is so weak. This boy is so weak as he is. As he is. This boy is so weak as he is. As he is. The boy is so weak. Is so weak as he is. As he is. This boy is so weak, right, guys? Now guys, we're gonna go up, 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 up. This boy wants to kill me. Up, 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 up. You just want to kill me. You need to get revenge. 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 You need get revenge. You need to get revenge. You need to get revenge. You always guys need to get revenge for the snakes or for the snakes or for the snakes or I don't know, for the snakes, or you always need to get revenge for the snakes that or worms that want to kill you. Okay guys, so like him, he wanted to kill me. Nick the name. Now we're gonna kill Nick the name for revenge. Now we're gonna go and find other people to kill. Okay guys, yeah. Now as let's try just to kill somebody. Now we're gonna kill everybody. We're gonna try everybody. So bye bye guys. Today we got everybody. So bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.